Okay, everyone. So here's another project that I thought about. I thought, I like creating certificates for people that, or just creating certificates for situations and people that you normally wouldn't think of, right? So I was thinking, I was watching a movie and it was very sad, and this woman was crying on her friend's shoulder. I'm like, wow, that would make a great certificate, right? So let's make a certificate for the best shoulder to cry on, Bestie. So let's start we have a blank page in Canva. We'll start in the elements, and I think I just want to search for a background, and that is usually. When I start with the background, that kind of gives me a sense of like where I'm going. So I'll look at graphics, I'll say see all, and I'll just kind of scroll through the graphics for a while and see what I like. That rainbow a lot. That's really cool. I like this one a lot too. Um, Let me take a look here and see which one I want. Sorry about that. Let's take a look and see which one looks good. Oh, you know what? I just thought a background of coffee house. 'Cause what better place to cry on your friend's shoulder than in a coffee house? What does that one look like? Looks good. Let's just stretch it and stretch it. That looks good. Let's see if there's another one. Sometimes I put them on top of each other just to see what they look like. Oh, that was cute. Um, okay, let's go with this one. Let's just say cafe. And there was the one I did. Let's just say cafe. I'll delete that. Let's go and look under photos. Oh, that didn't spell well. Let's say cafe. Let's look under photos. It could either be this one or um, cozy, or we could say cozy living room. I actually like this one. Oh, that one's nice. I like that one a lot. Yeah, that one is so nice. Yes. And so now I'm going to say friends. Okay, so I like this picture. It's good. That one looks good too. Or this one. This one looks so good. All right, so now I have the photo. I'm going to go to background remover and just remove the background, which makes me think that this background may not be what I want. I might have to go for something a little bit more solid. And what I'll do is I'll say recent. Hmm, background. Let's see, background. I want it to make it kind of like what they are. I like that. That is really nice. Yeah. All right, so I'm going to put them over here in the corner. All right, that looks good. I like that. And we're going to put some stars behind them. See all. I like that. Oh, that's so nice. And I'm going to layer that. I'm just going to send it backwards so it's behind the girls. Perfect. And now I will put in a nice little, I don't know, certificate. Certificate. And let's see. Graduation cap, trophy, award, graduation, we'll do diploma and see what comes up under diploma. Sometimes diplomas, the only pictures they have are the diploma rolled up. I'm like, well, that's different. Let's see. Oh, go back. Let's see. Certificate. And I'll go to graphics and see if I can find a certificate. This one's nice because it's not what you would think of as a traditional certificate. I like that. It matches the gold. So I'm going to move the stars over behind them. I'm going to make this a little bit bigger and move it towards the center. I really like this one. This one is really nice. Yes, that looks really good. And I want to just take a look and see what it looks like. That's very nice. I like that a lot. And so I'll say escape and I'll go back to the main page. And so now let's add some text. And so we want to go to our text box. And sometimes I use Chat GPT, but not really for like these kinds of projects. It depends on what it is. So, bestie, shoulder to cry on. Oh my goodness. All right. Gotta have a bestie whose shoulder you can cry on. Now, I don't like the text. Let's find something a little bit more romantic. Let's go back to handwriting. Oh, that's nice. Bestie. That is nice, isn't it? Okay, so here's what I'm going to do. What am I going to do? I'm going to lock this. Lock. And that way I can unlock. Unlock. I'm going to move this over and get this locked into place really quickly. Make it a little less smaller because I want all the leaves on there. Okay, now I'm going to lock that. And then now we can do this bestie shoulder to cry on. And now we're going to be here and we're going to write in here whatever it is you want. I'm going to put their name on it, of course, but I just like to make it big. For always being there when I needed someone to talk to. And we'll go back to the last one. And it's this one, and we're going to make it very small, 42. And we're just going to kind of add our breaks for always being there when I needed someone to talk to. You will always have a special place. Let's say return place in my life and heart. Aw, there's somebody who's giving this to me. All right, we're just going to make this a little bit smaller, bring this in. But you see how easy this is to just make a quick little thank you so much certificate. Now, what I do want to do is go back to elements and get out of here. And I'm going to say hearts, red hearts. And I want to put some really cute hearts on here. So I'm going to put this one. I don't know why they come up so big. I'm going to put this here. I'm going to flip this horizontally and make it a little bit smaller. I'm going to take our Some of our stars. Oh, you know who would be really cute? That's what I thought. Some, and I get here and I just get carried away. Oh, that's perfect. Let's take the gold out and let's put the hearts in. Oh my God, there we go. Oh, I don't know where that came from. But let's take that out and let's put this here. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. All right, so we're gonna move this over just a little bit. Actually, let's move our girls over just a little bit. That way we can move this over just a little bit. And then what I'm going to do is just tuck this behind them. So I'm going to say send backward. And sometimes you have to, actually, if you do this and say show layers, you'll see where the hearts are. I want them behind them. See how that worked out? I just pulled it. I could pull it back up. Now it's in front. So I'm pulling it underneath the girl. So now it's there. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. I mean, if you spread it across the whole page, I actually like it here. Yeah. That is so cute. Now, if you want to get really technical with this, you can. I actually sometimes I see maybe that why they had this because you can take this and put the girls in the heart. Now that is cute. So let's see what it looks like on the big screen. And there you go. You can definitely adjust the heart so it's not kind of cutting the girls in half there. You can actually double click on it and move them over. It doesn't look like you can move them down. Let me make the heart a little bit bigger. Okay, maybe that's not the heart I want. And let's scroll down to elements and go to frames and basic shapes. You would think a heart would be a basic shape. There's a heart. So I'm going to change this. I'm going to right click on the heart and say detach image. I'm going to delete the heart. I'm going to go back to elements and click on the heart because I think that's much better. And there they go. Much nicer. Yes. Much nicer. I like that a lot. Oh my gosh. I'm in love with this one. I could be here all day doing this. So, um, So what I think I want to do is put a name in there. Let's say Sharon, to my bestie Sharon, the best shoulder to cry on. So I'm going to adjust this down and make sure I'm here and this to cry on. And I'm going to make that just a little bit and we're going to just pull this up. Bestie Sharon. And make this a little bit bigger. And then now we can move that here. There we go. So now I want to make sure that this is, I don't know, centered. Is it going to center it? Sometimes it centers it that way. So that's not the way you're going to do that. So you're going to come back here and just make sure that you'll see a little kind of dotted purple line. That means you are center in that area. And this one as well. That's centered. And then I'm going to adjust the hearts. Yeah. Just a little bit because remember this heart? It's still there. So let's move that down there. Let's move them back there. And then we can move that there, or we can move it. Oh, nope, because it went into the frame. Just be careful you don't move it into the frame. And actually, I forgot to do something. What did I forget to do? Forgot to lock it. So I'm gonna put Bestie up here where the little eye is. Bring this back down. Bring this. So all of this I'm going to group, and then I'm going to lock it. And then I'm going to bring this over, and I'm going to lock this. I can still move. And I will lock that. Isn't that cute? So let's see what it looks like. Oh, for always being there when I needed someone to talk to. You will always have a special place in my life and my heart. Isn't that wonderful? So you have three examples. So you have the Bestie certificate, you have the Best Sitter Award certificate, and then you have the Space Cadet certificate. These are all three very unique gifts that you can make for free because you can do them in Canva and you can print them out on your computer. How much more free can you get? If you want to make it a little bit more expensive and spend a little money, you can have them printed out at one of your large print stores like Office Depot or Staples or Walmart, and then buy a frame and then give it to them, right? A handmade gift for me is definitely more special than someone giving me a gift card. I like the gift cards, but I actually this will last longer because once I give the gift card away, it's gone. And the meal that I've eaten, that's gone 2 days ago. But this lasts forever. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment below and let me know what other certificates you want me to make. I'll be making more and posting them. As I said in my other video, if you want to receive these videos without the ads, I do have a Patreon account where you can sign up. There's a membership and receive not only the video before I post, it actually gets posted on YouTube, but it'll be ad free as well as any of the templates or instructions that may accompany that particular video. Thanks so much for joining me today on Digital Elementals, and we'll see you soon.